Do you really want to crack your next job interview? Or do you want to start earning money by making your own Android app? Or do you have a desire to secure a good grade in your university or college examination? Whatever do you want, don't worry. Just hit the subscribe button, give us a like, and the responsibility is ours.
History of Java. Java was created by James Gosling and his team at Sun Microsystems in early 1990s. The project, originally called Oak, was intended for embedded systems and home appliances. What is this embedded systems? Right? There may be a question roaming in your mind. What is this embedded systems? I hope so that most of you have heard the name Arduino. You know that you can create many amazing products by using Arduino. That system is called embedded systems. And however, due to the rise of internet, the team pivoted towards developing a language suitable for networked environments. In 1995, Java was officially released, quickly gaining popularity due to its platform independent nature. Java was platform independent from the very beginning by using JVM, Java Virtual Machine. What is this Java Virtual Machine? To know more about it, you have to be with us in this lecture till the end. Java timeline. I would not tell about this Java timeline. If you really want to know, just take its screenshot and see this need for Java. Why Java was needed? Though there are so much powerful languages like C and C++, then why to waste time on another language if these two languages were so much dominant? You know that even today, many people use C for their system design and C++. You know where it is used? For a thing that you daily use, and that is so much crazy. What is this? What is that? If you know that, comment. Is mostly used in game development today. The two major languages for game development is C++ and C sharp. You know that even today, whenever a developer is going to develop a game, the first language he choose is C++. It is a old language, but it is so much powerful. Then why Java was introduced? Because this C and C++ had limitations. What kind of limitations? They were not platform independent. Suppose that you create a source code in C or C++ in your system. That source code cannot run on a platform rather than yours. Suppose that your friend want to run that source code, he cannot run it because C and C++ is not platform independent. So there may be a question that then why game development system designs for them, why C and C++ are used? They had limitations. It cannot run on devices, many devices. No, actually there are so much technologies that is used to develop a game, right? To develop a game, by using those technologies you can run a game on many platforms. But initially C and C++ is not platform independent, but Java is platform independent. Java was introduced to overcome these issues and provide a more efficient, secure and portable solution. Key reasons for Java's popularity: platform independence. Java's code write-ons run anywhere. You write a Java code at your in your system, you can run anywhere, anytime in the world. Feature: this is the feature that allows it to run on any system with a Java virtual machine. Java virtual machine, what is this thing right now? Java virtual machine is a virtual environment that converts the bytecode or interprets the bytecode into the machine specific code or the binary code that the machine understands. To know more about Java virtual machine, you have to keep your consistent focus in this lecture. Object-oriented approach. Java follows the OOP paradigm, making code more modular, reusable, scalable. Security. Java provides a secure runtime environment with built-in security features. The Java runtime environment periodically checks for errors in bytecode. Automatic memory management. The garbage collected in Java handles memory deallocation automatically. In C++ or C, when you allocate a memory for any variable or any object, anything, that memory should be deallocated or freed to the execution of the program. But in Java, there is a function called garbage collector, which periodically checks if there is any object which is not in use but has a memory, that deallocates the memory of that object. So memory deallocation is done in Java by garbage collector automatically or dynamically. Multi-threading support. Java allows multiple threads to run simultaneously, enhancing performance. Rich APIs and libraries. Java offers extensive libraries for networking, data structure, GUI, and development, graphical user developments. Why Java? Why the need of Java? What is the usage of Java? Look, applications of Java. Desktop GUI application, desktop graphical user interface application. You will be amazed that you can even create your own software by using Java that can run on your system, that can run on your laptop. Scientific application. Scientists use Java for the scientific calculation, large level calculation. Mobile applications. For Android, the two major languages that is chosen by the developer is the Java and the Kotlin. You can create a full mobile app. You can earn money by creating your own mobile app, by learning Java, by implementing Java. Web services, web applications, enterprise applications. For large level enterprise applications, Java is widely used. It has Spring Boot and many other functionalities, many microservices functionalities that make it easier to deploy enterprise applications. Java architecture. JVM, JRE, JDK. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine, JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment, and JDK stands for what? If you know, comment. Java Virtual Machine, JVM. The Java Virtual Machine is the core component that enables Java program to be platform independent. It converts the Java bytecode into machine specific code at runtime. As I have told you earlier that JVM is the virtual environment that converts the Java bytecode into the machine understanding code or binary code that the machine understand. That is the thing that make Java portable, platform independent. JVM is the thing. Executes Java bytecode, handles memory management and garbage collection through garbage collector. Built-in garbage collector. Provides security features like runtime verification. I have told it earlier that who is doing this runtime verification? The Java runtime environment is the thing that is doing the runtime verification. Inside this Java runtime environment, you have this JVM. How I will teach you. The JRE includes JVM, as I have told that JRE includes this JVM and also the necessary libraries to run Java applications. It provides Java a secure runtime environment, but it doesn't contain development tools. Remember that it doesn't contain development tools like the compiler. JRE just only provide the runtime environment, but it doesn't provide the development tools. You cannot run a Java source code by only having Java runtime environment and Java virtual machine. You also need compiler and many development tools. This Java development kit has everything that is needed for your source code to be run. The JDK includes everything needed for Java development, as I have told you. JRE. This JDK includes JRE, and this JDK includes JRE. This JRE includes JVM. This JRE includes JVM. So ultimately, what is happening? This JDK has everything. Compiler, the development tools, compiler JavaC for converting Java code to bytecode. JavaC is the compiler that is compiling your Java source code into the bytecode or dot class file extension. Now there may be a question that what is this new word dot class file extension? I will teach you in the upcoming lectures. This JDK is the ultimate thing. It covers everything from development tools to JRE to JVM. This is the parent. This is the father of everything. It includes everything. After that, inside the JDK, you have JRE, Java Runtime Environment. What it does, it has JVM, Java Virtual Machine inside it, and Java class libraries. It provides a secure runtime environment and it has also Java class libraries. JVM. What is this JVM? I have told you that Java Virtual Machine is the virtual environment that converts your Java bytecode into the machine understanding code or binary code that your machine understands. Because of this JVM, Java is platform independent. Remember that. Because Java has this JVM, it is platform independent. Features of Java. Java offers several powerful features like it is preferred by the developers. Simple. Java's syntax is almost similar to C++. So if you are moving from C++ to Java, then it will be so much easy for you. You will find that many things are similar, but robust, dynamic, object-oriented. In Java, everything is treated as objects. As I have told you that Java is totally object-oriented programming language means that everything in Java is classes and object. Now, what is this classes and what is this object? What are you teaching us, brother? There may be a question. Classes are the blueprint, and object is the physical entity of that blueprint. If you want to learn it in details, as I have told you, you have to subscribe us and follow us for next lectures. Portable Java bytecode can run on any device with a JVM. A Java bytecode can run on any system if the system has installed JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Platform independent. Because of this JVM, Java is platform independent. But C and C++ are not platform independent. Because of this reason, Java was introduced. Secure. Java has built-in security mechanisms like bytecode verification. Who does this bytecode verification? I have told it that Java runtime environment provides the secure environment that checks the Java bytecode if it has an error periodically. And runtime checking. Robust. Java handles exception and errors effectively by using exception handling. Multi-threaded. Java supports concurrent execution for better performance. We will teach you multi-threading in high performance, although not fast as C++ or C. Java is not as fast as C and C++, but why? There is a question. Okay, why Java is not as fast as C++ or C? Look, C and C++ is the code that you write in C or C++. That source code is compiled into the machine understanding or code or machine code directly. There is no middle step or anything else inside that first and final step. But Java has a middle step. Or how fast? Java compiler compiles the Java source code into the byte code or .class file extension code that includes the bytecode. And after that, JVM converts that bytecode into machine code that your machine understands. But it is not also slow. It is so much fast. You can do any kind of software task in Java. You can create any kind of software in Java. Even most enterprise level software that handles multiple billions of users that is running on Java. Distributed computing. Java supports networking and remote method invocation. How it supports networking? Because of its platform independency. In a network, there are many systems. A system can run on Mac OS, a system can run on Linux OS, a system can run on Windows OS. But in Java, it doesn't depend. It is platform independence. For that reason, in networking, it is used. They are the features of Java: distributed, object-oriented. Everything in Java is objects made from classes. Simple. Java code is simple, secured because it has runtime environment, secured runtime environment. Platform independence because of JVM. Robust, portable. They are same. Architectural neural. It is also same as portable. Dynamic, interpreted, high performance. It supports multi-threading. Java installation. How you can install Java in your system? First of all, you have to go to Oracle JDK download page. From there, you have to download the Java development kit. After downloading and installing the Java development kit, you have to verify if it is properly installed on your system. For that, you have to go to the command prompt if you are using Windows and go to the terminal if you are using Mac or Linux. There you have to type Java-version. There is a space Java space hyphen version. Then if it is showing which version of Java is installed, then it is properly installed. And though you can run Java on any basic text editor like Notepad or etc., I would suggest IntelliJ IDEA or Visual Studio Code, the two most widely used IDE, integrated development environment for Java. Look, first of all, you have to go to this page, oracle.com, type this link there in the browser in Chrome. After that, you have to download your desired version. If you are running on Windows, you have to click here. If you are running on Mac OS, you have to click here. If you are running on Linux, you have to click here. As I am running on Mac OS, I will select ARM64DMG installer. Okay. And as I am running, as my Mac is from M series chip, like Mac M1, Mac M2, M3, M4, whatever your system has, you have to install the ARM version. But if your Mac is running on Intel based Mac, then you have to download this. For Linux also same, Windows also same. After that, after downloading and installing this Java development kit, you will have the JDK, JRE, JVM included in this whole package. After that, you have to check if your Java is properly installed in your system, so that you have to open command prompt or terminal from your system. There you have to type java space hyphen version. If it is showing the proper version, then it is properly used, properly installed. And after that, you can download this Visual Studio Code. To download Visual Studio Code, you have to go to this link, and as I have told you, you have to download according to your system. If you are running on Apple Silicon chips like M1 M2, then you have to use this. And if you are running on Windows, Intel or AMD chips, you have to select here. Or you are running on Snapdragon based chip, then you have to click on ARM. For Linux, it is also same. Look how cute it is. A penguin. As I am showing that my base code is running, as I have installed it, and after installing, you will see a interface like this and Visual Studio Code. So for today, you are done. Don't do anything with this VS Code or JDK. In conclusion, I want to say that in this module, we covered the history of Java, why it is needed, its key features, Java architecture, how to install it. In the next session, we will learn about JVM, JRE, and JDK. I would hardly recommend this lecture because without understanding how Java code works inside the system, you will not be a proficient Java developer. So please see this lecture. There I have explained more briefly how JVM, JRE works, their implementations, how they work all together, how the .class file extension is created, how that is compiled, how the Java compiler compiled and create bytecode, how the bytecode is converted into the machine code, everything from scratch to advanced level. Thank you for being with us. Hope so that you would have a good day. Let me close this window.